Okay. Well, good afternoon. I finally got my Apple Watch. But let's see what is in the box. So the unboxing experience is sort of what's exciting about these Apple products. Wow, I feel like I'm about to go climb a mountain or something. This is exciting. Let's see. So the first thing we have here is... Ooh, a cool depiction of bands. Bands will make them dance. Sick. Wow, this is a pretty awesome... This is one of those kids' books. It feels like one of those kids' books that makes you want to go back to your childhood. Right, so there's an Alpine configuration. There's actually no kit in instructions, so I will be looking at this later. And then regular Apple stuff. So I got two boxes, right? One box is the band, the other box is the body. All right, let's start with the body, okay? Okay. By the way, I have my Apple Watch on religiously. I think this one is probably going to force me to start sleeping with it, which I'm about that life. All right, let's open this up. Wow. This is robust. Robust. It's so thick. This thing is so thick. So thick. This is amazing. I am pumped. Let's keep this charging for a minute. Look at this. Oh. Get this beast charging. Wow. I also get braided charging cables. These Bouger. Okay. And then this is exciting. I feel like a kid in Christmas. So cool. So fresh. Ooh. Wow. Look at this. Yeah. It's exciting. So check this out. I go in here like this. I go in here like this. I am ready for my adventure. Let me at him. So I thought that, this is one of those that you can, hook first and then just stretch your way through it. But it doesn't look like it's the case. So I'm going to have to hook in every time. So I don't know how I feel about that. Aside from that, we are looking good. This watch is beautiful. I am so happy with my purchase. Look forward to more videos of me with this party, going for runs and all the above. Awesome. Take care. Have a good day.